And in this video, I want to help my students understand how to upload assignments on MUELE. So I am an instructor of a course Introduction to Guidance and Counseling of Adult Learners in the School of Open Distance and E-Learning. So in this course, I ask my students to upload their assignments on MUELE. So the first thing as students you need to note is that you need to sign in your course space area with your username and password. After signing in, because the teacher is working with you online, you need to know the unit or the module you're working from. So in this assignment, we are working with Module 4, Theories of General Counseling. Now in Module 4, you'll see that there's this icon that has a hand and then a file. That means that you are submitting a document and it is group assignment. Now, when you click on group assignment, it will take you to the group assignment space and it will even show you the assignment text I put there. So in this case, you're interested in submitting an assignment. So when you move down, you'll see this add submission and it will even give you the details that you have 1 day and 9 hours. Remember, you're submitting your assignment on Saturday, that is tomorrow. So that's why it's counting this, and it will even show you the due date. So in this, I used Jean space, and Jean is already in group 3. The computer is identifying Jean already to be in group 3. So you add submission. When you add submission, click on add submission. It will take you to another space. It will take you to another space where you will be again. You'll see that there will still the assignment. There will still be an assignment, but in this case, you want to upload your assignment. When you upload your assignment, there are many ways you can drag, because like it says here, you can drag and drop a file, or you can add. Now to add, the first thing you need to note is that you need to be working somewhere and your work will definitely be somewhere, and you need to know where that work is. When you reach here, just upload a file. And when you upload a file, it will take us to another space where we shall be required to choose a file. So when you choose a file, you need to know the destination where your file you want to upload is. So in this case, if for example I have something on the desktop and I can just identify something here, maybe I should say that my assignment is learner papers. When I click on that and open that, it will open in this working area, MUELE working area. And I think you can see here the folder already, Diana papers. And then you save as. So of course, this is group 3 assignment. Because it's individual and it already shows that the author is Opulent Jean Jordan. Now I use Jordan because he has ever used my laptop in class, but because we've already assigned you in groups, the computer also knows. So when you sign in, you don't even have to type your name there. So when you come here, upload your assignment. After uploading the assignment, it will now appear as group 3 assignment. So don't end here. Please go ahead and make sure you submit this assignment by just saving. Now, one thing you need to note about this space is that when you look at these document files, that means that I've already set the types of documents I want for this work. So that means that anything outside that work, the system will not allow your work. So you have to be clear about that. So you're going to use Microsoft Word, either 2003 or 2010, any. Then your document will be accepted. So after realizing that, you click Save. And then when you click Save, your document will be saved. That means that you will have submitted your assignment. And make sure when now you look at this option of file submission, your file is there. Now, in case you still have time and you also notice that, there are some changes you want to make, you can always come remove the submission or edit the submission. Still, MUELE will accept, but remember that you can't do that after the due date. So this means that if, for example, you submit now, you can always change tomorrow before the deadline date. So that's how you can manage to submit your assignment on MUELE.